Hey, so I've always been curious whether having a clean panel will make a difference on the solar output. So right now, we're in full sun, and I'm putting out 106 watts, 107, okay? It's in full sun, very few clouds. Well, okay, there's clouds right there, okay, but not in... Anyways, bear with me, okay? I'm going to wipe this off, and we're going to see if we can get it up any. It's not that there's no clouds. Calm down. It's not what I meant. It just wasn't clouds directly in front of the sun right at the moment. Let me grab a towel, because it's summertime, and we got to keep towels in the truck so that way we can wipe ourselves down before we head home. All right. I'm not throwing water on it or any of that. I'm just getting off the worst of the dirt. Because people are like, well, how often do you clean your panels? How do you get up there to clean them? And I've always been like, oh, it's not making that much of a difference. So I'm not worried about it. But I guess I'll try some water here in a second. We'll try just a dry wipe down. And then let's see what that reading is. Okay. So dry wipe down. We are at 107 watts. And that was a big letdown. I really hate to even waste water on it because I'm having to bring water up here every time. But we're gonna splurge just for the YouTubes and see. Trying to find the water bottle that's thawed out the most. Leave my cold ones in there. Okay, so I'm still showing, let's see. Oh, we're down to 93 watts. Had a reverse effect. I'm kidding. I mean, we are down to 93 watts, but it didn't have a reverse effect. So, I mean, this panel hasn't been cleaned ever that I'm aware of. Told you this one was given to me. And he and I actually kind of joked about whether it needed to be cleaned or not before it was used. And I was like, oh, I've never cleaned them. Don't worry about it. Well, okay. I certainly got some junk off of it. Some growth. Some old, I don't know, moth. I can't speak. Mildew. Okay. Right there, a little spot up here. Better make sure that's clean. So I don't know. I'm not saying one way or the other, but Blue Eddy's been pretty good to me. Let's see what it says. Let's bring you over. Get that remaining water bottle back in the cooler. All right, so panel, we're directly in the sun. This is what I meant by not very many clouds. I'm going to point the phone directly at it. And we are up to 105 watts. Let's watch it for a second and see if it comes up anymore. In fact, let's go ahead and... Okay, we're at 103 now. Let me steer this panel around. Because about 107 is the most I've seen out of it anyways. So let's kick the panel around, see if that makes a difference. Oh, 110. Okay. I'm up to 110 watts. Kick it around a little bit more, see if we get anything. And bring it a bit closer so we don't rip the cords out. It's probably pretty close. What are we getting? 112. 113. Okay, so I think in conclusion, we can state that cleaning the panel really doesn't make that much of a difference. And so now, you know, and that was parked out by a county road, that panel. I mean, there was paved roads nearby too, but there was also a county road, so certainly had dust on it. just like mine have at the house. And when it rains, that's rinsing them off. I don't know, for what was it? We're not even going to take into account that we repositioned the panel, okay? But we went from 107 to 112, so we gained 5 watts. So what, about 4%? Okay, I don't think it's worth it. 4%. If you're down to 4% making the difference on your, you probably just need to buy another friggin' panel. 4% is you sized your system too small, or you're overloading it, or both. All right, the more you know. All right, Mountain Wizard out. We'll catch y'all next time. See ya.